Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can hide notes from someone on Instagram. Let's get started by opening our Instagram application in your mobile device. And then once you open it up, go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this message icon. And then from here, simply tap on your note. Go ahead and simply type in the note you would like to share, and inside here you will then be able to find an option that says share with. Go ahead and tap onto it. You'll then be able to find two options: friends or close friends. It usually says followers you follow back. You want to go ahead and simply tap on close friends, and then edit close friends and remove the person you want to hide your notes from. Once done, tap on done, and just like that, only people in your close friends will see it, and that one person won't even know they have been left out. And that is simply how you can hide your notes from someone on Instagram. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.